In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on using the Ibotta app. Here's how it works. First, you will need to download it and load up Ibotta. You will also need to create an account if you don't have one already. The second step to using the Ibotta app will be choosing your store. You want to click on Browse, and you will then select where you'll shop: Walmart, Target, grocery stores, etc. The third step will be finding the cashback offers. You want to scroll through products and tap the plus sign to add offers. These offers get saved for your list. Then you want to go shopping. You will buy the items which you added, make sure they match size, type, brand, etc. Redeem your offers. You can redeem in two ways. Method 1 of redeeming will be uploading a receipt. You will tap redeem on the home screen and then choose your store, take a clear photo of your receipt, and Ibotta will match your purchases automatically. The second method will be linking your loyalty account. Some stores let you link your loyalty card, then you don't have to scan the receipts. The second to last step will be getting cash back. After verification, your earnings show up in your Ibotta balance. Withdraw your money when you reach the minimum, which is going to be usually about $20. You can cash out PayPal, bank account, and gift cards. I hope this helps you with using the Ibotta app. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.